When we're placing our valley battens, we're going to use the 6-inch wide end of our batten spacer. We'll center that in the valley and just bring those battens together, which will keep it centered. When we're using our EBS, we're going to fasten with a ring shank nail or exterior grade screw down through the pucks, every puck, and they're located every foot. So once we get that centered, then we can go ahead and start fastening our valley battens. Alright, when we're doing our hip battens, we're going to take, if we're using our EBS, we're going to take those pucks and just move them to the inside so they face each other. And then we want to center these over our hip line because our caps are going to fit in over these, so we want these straight. So we want from the outside to outside, we want 5 inches, and then we want them centered over our hip. And then we'll go ahead and take that ring shank nail or exterior grade screw, and we're going to fasten into every filled batten going up the hip.